This is elevator 4, the newer elevator at the Energy Innovation Center in Crawford-Roberts, Pennsylvania. This is another Otis Gen2, just like the other 3 elevators. And it has a small center opening cab like the other 3 elevators. This elevator is completely locked out, but they left a card in the elevator. It's just like a generic venue card. So now we can ride the elevator. Go down to C, here, go down. Here's C. I have no idea what's down here. It's a kitchen. Interesting. 2, here we go. Here 2. It goes right toward tenant. On the 1. That way 1's not locked. It's a basic Otis cab, has LED spotlighting here back at 1. Yeah, I think 1 goes right to the desk of a tenant. That's gonna be it.